I really gotta apologize to my Korean viewers. 미안해. During collab, I literally called every Korean as a hentai.
지금 네가 우리한테 얘기하는 거는 모든 한국 사람들이 변태라는 소리야?
네. 한국 사람 변태야. She's not sorry. Yeah, well, I'm actually not sorry. Here's my point. 하야! I really feel like hiding is more of a hentai thing. But like Koreans are really shy. They don't really express it, but they know everything. You know, they know so much things. Inside their mind, they're filled with dirty minds, but they pretend like they're normal people because they're so like shy about it. Yeah, you know, even Nikke, it's made from Korea. Look at the jiggle physics. Look at their thighs and butts and like booba. It's made by Koreans. You guys should praise Koreans. They're like the best hentais out there. I was so funny when I said things and then they go like, yeah! 아, 미안해. 사과할게. 반줘. 사과했잖아. 반줘이.